Hi, welcome back to the Unum Unum channel. My name is Jewel, and today I'll be giving a quick crash course on how to use Google Drawings. This is really good, like for me, like when I do infographics for school or I do any school projects. It's good if you don't want to use a template and you want to make something new. So So first thing you want to do when you make a Google drawing is to so here you open your Google Drive and you click New, you click More, and you click Google Drawing. So once you do that, then you should open one. So let's say you want to label it. Let's label it like, you can title it whatever you want. And then some things you can do on Google Drawing are like you can make infographics. So you can like pull shapes out. Like you can choose any of these shapes. Like let's say you want a rectangle. You can make a rectangle, and once you've made it, then you can size it however you want. You can do this with any shape. Like you can do this with like a smiley face, and you can move it how you want. You can even like change how the smile is shaped, but you can just like play around with those things. And then you can change the color. You can make it any color you want. The border, you can change the border color as well. You can change thickness of the border color. So like now you have this kind of box. You can even like choose if you want the border to be dashed, anything like that. And then like if this is an infographic, like you're gonna want to write things, so you just click this T box and you drag and you make a text box, and now you can like type whatever you want in it. Obviously you can choose the font, change the font size, and you can also insert lines on a Google drawing. So like if you want to point to something, you can use an arrow, um, like this. You can change the type of arrow. You can change the size of the arrow. But also you can just do any lines you want, or you can just like draw things like scribble, and now you have like this arrow kind of line. But like pretty much Google Drawings, it's pretty easy to use. You can just play around with whatever you want, and obviously you can insert images as well. But this is really good if you want to make like an infographic for a school project or just for fun, just to play around. And another thing, I don't think many people know this, but you can change the size of your Google drawing, like with this arrow on the bottom right corner. But yeah, that's my crash course on what you can do with Google Drawings. I hope this was helpful. There's obviously a lot you can do with this, but that's just like a quick like how to get started. Thank you for watching.